Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Roblox. The first thing you want to do is perform a Windows clean boot. So how do you do that? Right click on the start icon, type run, say right click it, run it. From here type in msconfig, go to OK. From here go to services, and you want to hide all Microsoft services and say disable all. Then switch to the startup tab and click open task manager. Now from here disable all startup items one by one. So disable all of them one by one, click on disable. Then close the task manager and hit apply and restart in the configuration. And the computer will restart. This should solve the issue. Now if it didn't, move on to the next solution. So go to the search bar, type in store or Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox here. And then click to install it. And once installed, see if this fixes the issue. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you.